Hey everyone! Welcome back to Social Tool 101. Today, I'll show you how to add checkboxes to your spreadsheet easily. Let's jump in. To begin with, select the developer option from the toolbar. If it is not there, right-click and select Customize the ribbon. Here, check the developer option and press OK. Then in the developer option, select the checkbox and draw it on your spreadsheet. You will see a text along with the checkbox. To remove that, right-click, select Edit Text, and delete the text. To add the same checkbox multiple times, select the cell range you want the checkbox and press Ctrl+D. So that's it, so easy and simple. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. See you until next time.